Hotel check-in and early arrival.
Good morning. Welcome to the Riverstone Hotel. How may I help you today?
Hi, I have a reservation for today under the name Sarah Miller.
Certainly, Ms. Miller. Let me check your booking.
Sure, thank you.
Yes, I found it. You booked a double room for 3 nights.
That's correct.
May I see your ID or passport, please?
Of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I see your check-in time is at 3 p.m.
Yes, I know. I arrived much earlier than planned.
Right now it is only 11 a.m.
Yes, my train arrived ahead of schedule.
I understand. Let me check if your room is available.
Thank you. I would appreciate that.
One moment, please.
No problem.
Good news. Your room is almost ready. It should be available in about 1 hour.
That's great.
In the meantime, we can keep your luggage here at the front desk.
Perfect. I would like to explore the area anyway.
There is a nice cafe and a small park nearby.
That sounds lovely.
Would you like a city map?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Here you are. The hotel restaurant is also very popular.
Nice. What time does it open?
It opens at 6 p.m. for dinner.
Great. Is breakfast included with my room?
Yes, breakfast is included every morning.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
It's our pleasure. Enjoy your afternoon.
Hotel Wi-Fi problem.
Good evening. How may I assist you today?
Hi. I'm having trouble with the Wi-Fi in my room.
I'm sorry about that. What exactly is happening?
The Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting every few minutes.
I understand. May I have your room number, please?
Yes, it's room 514.
Thank you. Did the connection work earlier today?
Yes, it worked fine this morning.
Are you using a phone or a laptop?
Both devices are having the same problem.
I see. Let me check the system.
Sure.
It looks like there is a temporary issue on your floor.
Oh, okay.
Our technical team is already working on it.
That's good to hear.
It should be fixed soon. Maybe within 20 minutes.
I actually have an online class later today.
In that case, you can use the Wi-Fi in the business lounge downstairs.
Is it quiet there?
Yes, it's usually very calm and comfortable.
Perfect.
Here is the Wi-Fi password for the lounge.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like us to send you a message when the problem is fixed?
Yes, please. That would help.
Certainly. Can I confirm your phone number?
Yes, it's 555 4821.
Thank you. I added it to the system.
Great. I appreciate your help.
No problem at all. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Ordering food with room service.
Good evening. Room service.
Hello, please come in.
Here is your dinner order.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
You ordered grilled chicken, rice, salad, and apple juice.
Yes, that's right.
Let me place the tray on the table for you.
Thank you very much.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, could I get some extra napkins?
Of course. I brought some with me.
Perfect.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Would you also like extra cutlery?
Yes, please. A spoon would be helpful.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Your meal has already been charged to your room.
Great. That's very convenient.
The total is $22.
That's fine.
Is everything correct with your order?
Yes, everything looks perfect.
Wonderful. Room service is available until 11:30 tonight.
Good to know.
If you need anything else, just press 0 on the room phone.
Okay, thank you.
We also serve breakfast starting at 6:30 a.m.
Nice. I may order breakfast tomorrow morning.
We would be happy to prepare it for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your dinner.
I will. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Asking housekeeping for fresh towels.
Excuse me, could I ask for some help?
Of course, ma'am. What do you need?
I need some fresh towels for my room.
Certainly. Did you need bath towels or pool towels?
Actually, both if possible.
No problem at all.
Thank you.
Here are 2 clean bath towels and 1 pool towel.
Perfect. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
I think I used the wrong towel earlier.
That happens a lot with guests.
Really?
Yes, don't worry about it.
Good to know.
The pool towels have blue lines on them.
Ah, now I understand the difference.
Exactly.
Is the rooftop pool still open tonight?
Yes, it stays open until 9 p.m.
Great. I may go swimming later.
The view at sunset is beautiful from there.
That sounds amazing.
I think you will enjoy it.
Thank you for your help today.
My pleasure.
Do I need my room key for the pool area?
Yes, please bring it with you.
Okay, I will.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's everything for now.
All right, have a wonderful evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Don't forget to listen again and practice speaking out loud.